What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for how to do high ticket affiliate marketing step by step. Maybe you're someone that's tried other affiliate marketing in the past and you had the realization that if you promote a higher priced product, you can do the same work, but when you make a commission, you can earn way more money. So what I'm going to do as you follow me through this entire video is break down an incredibly easy 3-step formula you can use to start high ticket affiliate marketing as soon as today and generate even up to $2,000 commissions. Okay, so real quick, I want to share with you some proof. You can see right here on my best day, $5,500. So what I'm going to share with you is using high ticket affiliate marketing, and it works. Now, I also want to share this very quickly. Is this working for other members, right? Is this 3-step incredibly simple formula to do high ticket affiliate marketing letting other people make money, right? Well, you can see right here, this person right here, Wanda, okay, a 2K day, right? Carice right here, this person, boom, another $3,000 in 10 minutes on autopilot. And what I'm going to share with you in this video is literally how to do it on autopilot. You're not going to have to bother your friends and family. You're not going to have to, get on the phone with people. You can see just a few more right here. Matt, okay, this 1K popped in while I was out walking the dogs. Okay, and Nate right here, $2,000 sale came in. Now, before I dive into exactly how to do high ticket affiliate marketing step by step, there's going to be a first link directly below if you're watching this on YouTube, and you can go there if you want to just skip over this full breakdown and you want to start implementing these incredibly easy steps. You can go to this page, follow the simple questions, okay, and then put in your best email because you're going to receive a private email from me personally with an overview on exactly how to get started today, okay, doing this method. But what I want to break down is exactly how, okay, these 3 steps work because this is the formula. So step 1 is we need to set up our done for us system, okay? You're not going to have to create your own websites or emails. Now, there's going to be another link directly below this video. And when you go to that link, you're going to eventually get taken to this page here, okay? Now, you can watch this overview video of this done for you autopilot system, or, if you don't want to watch that, you can just go down here, okay? There's going to be a button that pops up eventually, and you can click that button. Now, it's only $49 a month to actually use this incredible done-for-you system. When it comes to high-ticket affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing in general, you're going to have to invest money, whether it's autoresponder services, whether it's capture page creation software, et cetera, et cetera. But with this system, it gives you all the follow-up emails. It gives you all the capture pages. So all you have to do is just follow the simple steps, set up the system, as I'm going to share with you right now, and then just drive traffic, which I'm going to share how to do a little bit later on in this video, okay? So all you have to do is click there, enter your details, and then complete the order, okay? Now, once you do that, you'll get taken to this page. Now, this is the back office of this high-ticket affiliate system. And again, you don't want to go out there and try to do this yourself. You don't want to try to test different websites. If you want to hit the ground running and make money with the high-ticket affiliate marketing as fast as possible, you want to use a proven system. And this system is the exact system the people in the beginning of the video were creating results with, okay? So once you're in your back office, you just follow these simple steps. Now, if I go back here, step 2 is we want to upgrade in the different income streams, okay? So basically, if we go to step 2, there's 4 main income streams with this system, okay? Now, the first income stream is going to be taken care of with the $49 a month. You instantly access that first income stream. Now, income stream number 2 is really where the high-ticket affiliate marketing is going to kick in, okay? Now, what you want to do is you can watch this 15-minute video right here. It's going to break down what Easy One-Up is. Basically, okay, Easy One-Up is simply e-learning courses to basically learn how to start a successful online affiliate marketing business, okay? Now, they have many different levels to join. And the great thing is whatever level you join at, you unlock that level, okay? Not just the training, which is video training, but you also unlock all the levels under it, and you unlock the ability to earn commissions at those levels, okay? So when you actually invest into the second income stream, Easy One-Up, you can earn as much as $2,000 per commission, okay? So when deciding what level to actually join at, the Vertex Live $2,000 level, it's a one-time investment. And this is by far the most popular because when you invest at this highest level, you unlock this level, all the video training and all the training under it, okay, as well as the ability to earn again. So what you would do is if you're on this page, there's going to be a button here where you can click and it should take you to this page here, okay? Now you can watch this video here if you want, but really you just want to complete this information. You want to create a username, a password, okay? Now there's going to be a CAPTCHA. 568 is mine. It's going to be a random 3-digit number. You agree to the terms and start now. Now, once you actually create an account with Easy1Up, the next step to do this high ticket affiliate marketing formula is you'll get taken to this page, okay? Now you have to choose, again, a level to join. Now to join at the highest level, all you have to do is click that green button and it will take you to the order form, okay? You just put in debit or credit card information and you submit that one-time payment with the one-time admin fee, okay? And it unlocks all the other levels. Now, if you just, for whatever reason, you can't come in at the highest level, you want to stretch yourself and just come in as high as possible because you can upgrade at any time. But if you want to do high ticket affiliate marketing and earn, again, as much as $2,000 per commission, you want to position yourself in that highest level, okay? Now, once you do that, you're going to get taken to your dashboard. Now, to date, I've been able to generate $191,775. I'm not sharing this to brag or to impress, but really to impress upon you what's possible when you use this 3-step formula, okay? Now, also, if you're wondering what you get access to, you can go to My Products, and then they have the different products, okay? So I'm unlocked at all the different levels, okay, because I practice what I preach. You can click that level, you can access all these different incredible video training, okay? Hours worth of training on how to make money online, okay? Now, once you do that, you want to go back here. You want to do income stream number 3. Now, income stream number 3 is TextBot, okay? This is another income stream. This is a software that basically allows you to send automated text messages to your leads, okay? This is really good when it comes to converting. And you would just click there, okay? And you can sign up. Now, to date, in TextBot, I've been able to generate $7,800, okay? So does TextBot work? Is it worth joining? Okay, yes. Now, TextBot is just a one-time $100 investment, okay? So you can go ahead and invest that, and you can start to earn as much as, again, I've been able to generate close to $8,000. Now, if I go back here, income stream number 4, this is the last main income stream. Again, you can watch these videos, but to set it up, you would click here. I've already completed it, and it would take you to Traffic Authority, okay? And you can create an account as an affiliate. Now, Traffic Authority is basically a store that sells you packages of targeted high-quality clicks, okay? So in a second, I'm going to break down how to actually start getting traffic once you set up your system. But one of the methods is going to be Traffic Authority, okay? And you can just go ahead and choose a package and purchase that. Now, again, I'm going to share more in just a second, okay? So once that's all set up, right, the next step is we want to set up our e-wallet. Because when it comes to earning with this high ticket affiliate system, we want to set up this e-wallet because income stream 1 and 4 are going to pay us with an online e-wallet. And then once we get those weekly deposits every Friday, you can transition that money to a bank account or a check in the mail, okay? So you want to set that up. Again, watch the video, click that button, follow the steps. And then step 4 is optional. This is the back office tour. This kind of walks you through the different tabs, etc. of the website, okay? But now what I want to share with you is the last step, okay? It's really a 3-step simple process, okay? And it's not too good to be true. You saw the proof. If you're someone that's failed up until now, it's not your fault. It's simply because you did not have a proven working system in place, right? So step 3 is we send clicks to our link and we earn commissions fast. And when I say commissions, I mean high ticket affiliate commissions. So how do we do this, right? Well, once we're in our back office and we've set up everything, all we do is go to the top tab under links. Okay, now there's 3 main capture pages, right? So there's capture page 1, 2, and 3. And these are your links, okay, that you could go promote. Now, I highly recommend you start with lead capture page 3, okay? All my teammates, all the members from around the world that are using this system, getting tons and tons of results, tons and tons of money flowing very rapidly into their bank account, all say that lead capture page number 3, this one is the best converting, okay? So we would go to the very top, copy our link, and we want to keep that handy. And now we want to get as many people to this page as possible. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, I want to break down that right now. Okay, so the first method, again, is traffic authority. So for just $220, you can get close to 190 high quality clicks of real people that are interested in making money online. Okay, and it delivers within 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, so you can click that and you can go ahead and put your link in here. Now, if you want to be more aggressive, okay, maybe you have a little bit more money, you could do even up to, titanium, platinum, okay, even gold gives you 950 clicks, and it's $1,097 investment, okay, one time. So you would click there, go to other website, put in your capture page, okay, attach a debit or credit card, and then just agree to terms and place order. And within a day or so, you'll start getting high quality clicks to your capture page. They'll go to your capture page right here, put their name and email in, and the system will start following up through emails, right? Converting that person. And all the emails have links that are coded and tracked to you. So you'll be, you'll find yourself, at the pool, maybe with a friend or eating lunch with family, and you'll look at your phone and you'll see, congratulations, you just earned another commission. Congratulations, you just received a $2,000 sale, okay? It happens all over the world with many, many newbies as well. And the last thing I want to share with you, though, is if I go back here, okay, so if you actually join, though, in income stream number 2, okay, easy one up, this one right here, remember? If you join at the Vertex Pro, which is the $1,000 one-time investment, or the Vertex Live, which is $2,000, okay? If you invest into that through me, you will access my incredible bonus training completely free, because I want to force you to succeed. I want to reward serious people. All you have to do when you join, okay, and make sure you pay the admin fee, okay? Each one has an admin fee. So this would be Vertex Pro or Vertex Live. I highly recommend Vertex Live because, again, you earn double the money. But if you only can do Vertex Pro, you'll still qualify, okay? And then you want to email support@prosperwithgarrett.com with your Easy One Up username, okay? The username you created here, okay? Right here. You want to put that in the email, okay? And then I will check that you've joined, and I will shoot you over the bonus training. Now, very quickly, I've done more videos in depth, but this is the bonus training, okay? So number 1, I share exactly how to start getting elite paid ads, okay? How to run them, how to start getting traffic. I also give you access to my full social media mastery course. Now, if you're someone, maybe after you invest and you set up this high ticket affiliate marketing system to make these big commissions, maybe you don't have a lot of extra money to do paid ads. With this training course, I share with you my best free marketing strategies I've personally used, secrets I've never before revealed over the last 5 years to hit the leaderboards in every single company I've joined in Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, okay? So if you wanna do Twitter, go through all those video step-by-step modules and you'll see exactly what I did to build close to 17,000 followers and tons of money. If you want Facebook, maybe you prefer Facebook, go through, you'll see how to post, how to get people reaching out to you, begging you for your join link, okay? And then bonus, this one, access my best copy-paste ads. All we're doing once you set up the system is posting ads online, right? Well, I'm gonna share with you literally a document of my top engaging ads that I've used over the last, again, 5 years. You can swipe and deploy those to start to get traction as soon as you join today. And then bonus, the last bonus is high ticket sales secrets. This is a full ebook walking you through exactly how to get high ticket sales. Okay, so if you're brand new to high ticket affiliate marketing, these secret strategies are going to help you tremendously convert your leads and start to generate daily commissions. So again, if you're ready to take your high ticket affiliate marketing to the next level, or you just want to hit the ground running, go down to the links under this video if you're watching on YouTube or wherever you're seeing this video. Take action now. And again, when you join me at Vertex Pro or Live, email me at support@prosperwithgarrett.com. Again, information is going to be below with your Easy One Up username. I'll send you all the bonuses and you can start to generate money very, very easily. The same strategies I've used to generate as much as $5,500 in a single day, you're going to learn. Okay, I reveal every single thing for free as a bonus. So thanks so much for watching, my friend. I hope you got value, and I will see you on my next video.